Complex. A document the government withheld exposes new concerns about the health of children at the Bannister Federal Complex daycare. Investigator Russ Potasic has the story. Russ?
Elizabeth, it took a federal probe and 7 months, but we've now got that document from the General Services Administration, and it is very critical about the agency's ability to identify health risks from the chemical trichloroethylene. It focuses on an area with what's arguably the most vulnerable population of Bannister, the children's daycare.
No, that was Halloween.
When Robin Abraham now looks at pictures of her son Sean at the age she first entrusted him to the Bannister daycare, she worries.
I'm very concerned. Very concerned.
When I'm getting low on breath, I really can't breathe that much.
Breathing disorders are among a long list of illnesses EPA documents linked to trichloroethylene, a potentially cancer-causing solvent used in manufacturing to clean metal parts. She worked in a nearby Bannister building and has a blood cancer.
Lymphoma.
Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is another disease the EPA links to TCEs. The missing 2005 document located by the Inspector General's investigation cites multiple failures at Bannister to identify TCE-related health risks, expressing fears that the GSA is not taking the correct approach to investigate and remediate the site.
The weapons plant is about 100 yards behind us, and what also is worrying a lot of Bannister daycare parents is what's underneath us, a massive plume of contaminated groundwater.
The 2005 report rejects GSA findings that the underground contamination was decreasing, reporting there's no basis for this conclusion and it is not backed up with data.
I think, if this wouldn't happen, I probably wouldn't have asthma right now.
If things have been going on and all these years and no one ever said anything, yeah, that's betrayal.
Robin and her son Sean are just two of the more than 300 people who were at Bannister that our investigation has identified with health concerns.
Tonight, the GSA is still trying to determine why this document was withheld. In a statement today, the GSA's regional administrator said he's asked for an EPA review. The government continues to monitor toxins in the groundwater, but the EPA has conducted several recent tests in the daycare area and so far identifying no health risks inside. I'm investigative reporter Russ Potasic, NBC Action.